Hi, so today I'm going to show you the Auxbeam F16 series. This is the 905 for Accord, and I'm going to install as a high beam with 2016 Honda Accord EX model. Is also like is fit the 905 for 2013 to 2017. Is all fit the same bulb size. And here it is. I'm going to open. See, they have like Auxbeam really. See the LED Auxbeam LED bulb. Really, and also make sure for your car, always make sure your bulb size. My one is a high beam 9005. If you want to put it as a like your regular low beam, like your regular projector low beams, you need the H11 for Honda only. And various model, very different car. There's a different, like you could be like H7, H15, all is different like all other cars. And Pacific my model is 905 as a high beam, so always make sure that. And let me open it. Okay, there's one more seal. Okay, it just come with some mixture of the manual stuff. And here's the light. It does come with the ballast. People say ballast, but it's really called the LED driver. It's really small. You can tuck it anywhere. You don't have to like really zip tie it or anything. It's really well constructed. And this is the 905 socket. Adapter, and there's the bulb. You can see the chip. It's a Cree LED chip. It's really bright, and this socket is made plastic and all aluminum, and also in the bottom the fan, you can see is really well made. It's all metal. And also the same one, let me show you the other one, is also same. So now let's get to install. Let's get to it. As you can see, the high beam for Honda Accord is right here, and you can point it out to see which one is the only reflector, no projector. This is a projector for this side, is a projector for your low beam, and reflector for your high beam. So let me show you. I have already the Auxbeam, the FS2 series. You can see the silver right there, but I don't really quite impressive on that. It's really bright, don't get me wrong, but I want more bright on my car. So I'm gonna show you how it look like on this one, and how it look like after the install that one. So before that, I'm gonna show you how to install that. So specifically only for the Accords 2013 to 2017, only like passenger side is really hard to get in there because of the windshield water and the reservoir for the, what is it called, in your radiator fluid. You can open it, this one like this. You just pull it up. There's a clip right there. You just pull it up like this. It's gonna come out, and you can leave it anywhere, doesn't matter. And you can put your hands right here. You can see easily you can get to it, and you have to put it like counterclockwise to open it. Let's see, it's open. Here's the LED for the high beam. The previous I used is the FS2 series. And let me install the new one. Here's the new one, the F16 edition. And first you have to plug it in on your main relay harness. That's for the main your high beam socket. You have to plug it first, and it can get me wrong. Like I can see the negative, positive. It's gonna go the negative and positive. If it doesn't work, just flip it up, flip the other side, so it definitely will work. Okay, then you put a inside the same way, like take it out, put it back in. And push it to counterclockwise. That's it, guys. It's really easy. I'm going to do the same thing other side. It's really easy. You can see it's right there. And the mean I told you before, the reflector is that one right here. That's for the high beam, and the projector is that one. That's your low beam. Okay, let's get to it. Let me show you how the final product. I have my low beam on, and the new F16 bulb on it. You can see it's much wider than before. It's more clear. Let me show you from outside. Here you can see it. It's really bright.